Mets infielder exits with apparent injury in crucial game versus Miami. Miami. Brett Baty was removed from the Mets series opener with the Marlins in the middle of the second inning after appearing to tweak his side during the opening frame. The Mets third baseman grimaced on a swing during his first at-bat against Sandy Alcantara, and again after converting the final out of the first inning. The Mets announced that Baty left the game with right side soreness. Baty was replaced in the game at third base by Ronny Mauricio. Over the last 2 days, Carlos Mendoza has lauded Baty's consistency in the field at third and second base and at the plate. That trust was enough to earn Baty a start against Cubs left-hander Shota Imanaga on Thursday night, and the Mets infielder repaid the favor with a 3-run home run in the team's 8-5 win. A little bit of everything: defense, offense, at-bats against lefties, ability to make adjustments, and when he struggles, not letting those struggles affect him